Hey guys, Jacob from Trucks and Toys. Today we've got an awesome looking Ram 2500 going out the door. Now this truck was supplied by Sydney AusMV. Now what we've done, fitted all the accessories before rego, before the car's been handed over. So this truck not only looks unreal, it'll handle unreal. It's running the Carly 3.25 pin top system, Carly track bar, Carly sway bar. In the rear I've also added a set of Boss airbags for when he's got his caravan or extra load in the back. Gives him the ability to pump it up and keep the truck level. As you can see, this truck's got all the Baja lights on. What we've done on the front, it's got our twin S2 fog light kits, the Baja linkable kit. Now this is a bolt-on kit, no drilling or modifying to the front bar. Up on the side, you'll see it's got the two pillar lights left and right. These are great for when you're going down a trail, you can focus them out to the left and right and see where you're going. All these lights are controlled by a switch pro, which gives them the ability to switch the bar on or the left and right side lights independently. Down the side, we're running our pocket flares with the black studs, a set of Method HD 18-inch wheels, and a set of Toyo mud tyres. Underneath, what you can't see, it's also running our ARB twin kit with the tank and a compressor outlet on the back. On the back, you'll see it's got the UHF aerial just to keep in communication with on trails. If you're building a Ram or just after any information on a Ram, give us a call and we can help you out.